everybody!
I'm Allison.
I'm Hannah.
And we're going to attempt to do a Chit Chat Get Ready With Me for a YouTube video. Our first.
We swear a lot, and I don't know what I'm doing, but she knows what she's doing, so...
Kind of.
So
don't hype me up that much.
Let's watch this hot mess unfold. Thanks, guys. Keep watching. So let's just see how this shit goes.
Yes.
Or just roll along with us a little bit. So I have dry skin, so...
We both have Sahara desert skin.
Like, there isn't an oily spot on my entire face.
What oily T-zone?
I always start off with my eyebrows. I'm literally just using a L'Oreal little pot. Everything claims it's blonde. And does anybody else have the problem where one eyebrow is like beautifully shaped and the other one is just a piece of shit? Left eyebrow game strong. She gets me. She understands me. Like,
She works with you.
She does. She's beautiful. Yeah, then there's my right eyebrow that's like always hungover and an asshole. My brows can stay wild and free. This is not gonna be an everyday routine.
No.
My everyday routine's like putting a little tinted moisturizer on and then covering up and concealing spots and throwing eyebrows and mascara on.
I think I wear more makeup than you do though.
It's just like I've gotta be in a makeup mood. And if I'm not, I just stare at my face in the mirror and I'm like, go away. I can't tell. Are they even? I don't know. Oh no, we're doing alright. We're doing okay.
We do this often.
We don't film it. And we listen to loud music and just jam.
Just wipe it off.
That's why
moisturizer on your face. Just wipe it off.
That's why
People are probably cringing, but it's fine.
Eyebrows first and eyes first because I am a messy. So I need to go back and clean everything up before I do my whole face. So we're trying out the Morphe sponges today that people are raving about.
Just got them.
And honestly, like, I love that it's flat on these two sides.
Oh yeah, because then you can carve.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted it for.
I'm super excited.
Everybody's damn favorite.
Oh.
So you just take some concealer on a brush like this. And yes, carve them out.
I use the new L'Oreal Glow Lotion. It's pretty. See how it puts a sheen? I'm confused by what this product is, if I'm being completely honest. I tried blending it in with foundation and I didn't like how that looked. It says, Dot Blend Glow. Apply alone or under makeup. Use lighter shade to illuminate all over face or highlight. Use darker shade to bronze all over or contour. It doesn't have glitter in it. I'm a moisturized hoe. I'm going with the trusty Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just gonna float along and see what happens.
I'm totally taking my sweet ass time.
But you're also so much more careful than I am. I'm just like...
So this is the 25A Morphe palette. I'm excited.
My Jaclyn Hill palette has been well loved. I have not hit pan yet on anything, but she is dirty.
So you always want to start with a transition color in a very light hand. You'd rather build than shove a bunch of shit on your eye and then you can't get it off.
Oh, I have learned the hard way.
Yes. Having to completely remove all of your makeup.
It's so depressing.
I'm taking Overcast.
I took Silk Cream and MFEO and I'm just buffing those into...
And it might not
crease area.
Yes, and it might not look like much, but blend, blend, blend.
Do I do my new yellow? Are you gonna completely hate me if I do yellow eyeshadow?
God.
Why do you hate it? It looks so pretty.
You can do whatever you want. I am such a natural. Oh.
It's so pretty. No, I'm not kidding.
It's not.
It's so pretty.
I mean, it's really so pigmented.
Hashtag
so pigmented.
I'm just gonna end up doing a legit bronzy gold eye. See, it
looks like she squirted mustard on her hand.
It's like a sunsetty yellow, okay? It's like a pretty bright, it's not mustardy. I'll save the yellow for another day. Makeup's all about making yourself feel good. That's why you can hate the fuck out of my new yellow, but when I put it on, I'm gonna feel like summertime.
Lit? Because this YouTube video is gonna be lit or a fucking disaster, but...
Pooter. And put it closer in my crease with a smaller brush. And I'm just going over it with that first brush I used to sort of blend everything out. Want to do a dark eye pop of gold along the lower lash line. Because I love gold. I don't wear silver, I wear gold. I'm a bougie bitch. She's a bougie. She's a bougie bitch.
Bougie.
Bougie. Bougie. I can't even say it, so of course I'm not.
It's bougie.
Bougie.
So once you get that darker color on your lids, take your old blending, the first brush you
The
use
nasty,
for blending,
weary old bitch of a brush.
and you're gonna go back over it. And you're just gonna very lightly just feather it.
I am taking Chip, which is like a darker brown. It's a really like rich color, and just really darkening up my very outer crease and blending it slowly in when I have like less product on the brush. And a little goes a long way.
You do not need a lot at all. Now I'm going to use Afterlife right here. And then I think I'm going to go in with either this or this in the middle. And I think I might try and do a cut crease.
Good luck. Can anybody... I've watched so many videos, and every time I do them, they just look like unblended shadow on my lid. Like, that's all it looks like. I don't understand the wizardry.
So I'm going to start this a little lower and work it in. But I also want to bring it up.
If you're a messy bitch like me, you don't know how to keep your shadow in a nice line. So you're going to have to take a makeup wipe and clean all that shit up.
I actually do that all the time.
Well, hey, maybe you don't have to just be a messy bitch. Does anybody else have wrinkly, creasy ass eyelids? Because I do. I watch people like magically put on eyeliner that's a liquid and it just smooths on.
Oh, don't you love when they're just like...
Yeah, and I'm like, mine would be like it would be nasty. I gotta pull on my eye a little bit. I just have to. I am 21. She's actually turning 25 tomorrow. Sometimes we're 4 years apart. Usually we're 3 years apart. I'm very lucky to be the middle kid between two other sisters. So I had an older one and a younger one, and there was always someone who was interested
in you.
In the same things that I was interested in. Hashtag blessed.
I hate that you just said that. I'm pretty much just covering up everything that I just did.
I am taking the first transition shade that I took and honestly just buffing it in over everything because I want to make it look clean.
This is where the hard part comes in.
Your ass needs to get it together.
So we're going to take the Tarte Shape Tape.
What did you just do when you looked up? Did you mark like your crease? See, these are things that you're not teaching me that I need to know.
So you will put the concealer right above on your lash line. Look up. That probably looks really weird. And it will create, I don't know if you can see it, but it did create a little mark right here. So we're just going to drag it down.
I can't do a cut crease at all, so. Well, I've tried things that are trendy or that I've seen a lot of tutorials on, and I put them on my face, and I'm like, that's why also I feel like you don't have to follow trends in makeup, and if it's what everybody else is doing. Everybody has different eye shapes, different face shapes. They like how different things look.
Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to take a synthetic flat brush. I'm going to take rose gold. Perfect. And then just make sure to dab it directly on top of where you put concealer.
I have been messing around with the shadow chip this entire time to get a smoky effect. Am I blended, Alison?
I'm going to take a little bit of brass too. Put it on the outside just for some dimension. I'm going back in with Afterlife. Blend, blend, blend.
I've been lying. I was not using Chip. I was using Central Park. Sorry. I'm not good at this.
Thanks, Hannah.
Well, now I'm going to go to 24/7, which is right above that, which is what I'm going to put on my lid. I'm not going to take Chart? I am not going to take oh my god. What is this shit called? Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to put it on my bare lid, is what I'm trying to fucking say. I'm taking it on a flat, synthetic. I just sprayed my mirror. What are you gonna do? Do you ever look at your face before you put, like, your foundation on when you just have eyeshadow and you're like, am I an alien? The fuck did I just do to my face? Oh, I have, like, a glitter mustache. I feel like foiled or sparkly or glittery shadow is gonna have fallout, so I was just cleaning that up. I guess the next step is eyeliner, but I'm scared.
I'm kind of scared.
I did get the new Essence eyeliner pen in waterproof because Alison said, ooh! Alison said that it's amazing.
I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and take Beam. For me, Beam is
life.
So now we're highlighting our brow bones.
Oh Lord, I'm already so scared. I can't, I have to get all up in my own business. This is just what's gonna happen. Match that wing, girl, and you will be golden. Bitch, that's the key.
Whew. Slow and steady wins the race.
Let me look at you from further away. I think it's a little lower.
It's definitely a lot lower. No one cares.
I'm trying to become YouTube famous down here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fucking, I blinked. Ugh. Ugh. I don't want to put more eyeliner on. This one's still so much lower, dude. I lost my eyeliner game. This is as good as this is gonna get.
I have the foam ink wispies.
Yeah, these are foam ink, but they're the demi wispies.
We're gonna put these on off camera.
Okay guys, we are back from lashes. Literally brings together any eye look, I swear.
Yes.
It is really satisfying covering up like the discoloration and acne on my face. Are you gonna prime? Did you prime? I am gonna prime, and she is gonna prime with e.l.f. Hydrating Primer.
This is like really controversial. I think it's stupid they didn't make more darker shades as well. But I did want to try it out because it said it was hydrating.
And we're thirsty. We're thirsty
Our
bitches.
skin is very thirsty. So I did want to try this, and I do love the Shape Tape concealer so much. So we're going to see how well these do together.
I am going to be mixing Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It's a hydrating tint. It's got a really cute doe foot applicator, although not the most sanitary. It's the only foundation that I have used that does not crease up in my smile lines and my forehead. And since this does not have a lot of coverage, I'm gonna also use Matte and Poreless, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So
I am going to try using my Morphe M439 to buff this into the skin first to see, because I did hear that this doesn't have as much coverage, and I don't want the Beauty Blender to take it all the way.
I'm a mess, obviously.
I do like the way this stuff covers. It's definitely not a full coverage.
I bought the new Morphe M444. It's super dense, it's super soft. I have only ever used makeup sponges on foundations besides powder foundations.
Yeah, this is our first time using a brush.
So I'm excited. I've heard that you just do circles, is what I have heard.
You have like a very pinky...
I have a pink undertone for sure.
Yes. I, on the other
You're
hand, have
olive.
like very olive-y undertone.
FYI, this brush is soft and beautiful, and I love it. And I don't like to put too much foundation on my nose because I have natural freckles, so I feel like it makes it look more natural on my skin, less
For sure.
foundation-y.
This is a look. I do like to go back and like blend the edges with my brush that I used.
This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Concealer. I like this line because it has hyaluronic acid in it, and I am a skincare freak as of a couple months ago. Also just taking care of myself more in general. So skincare comes first. If you have time to do your makeup, you have time to take care of your skin.
Don't forget your neck.
I slather lotion. If I put that much on my face, I'm putting that much on my neck. I put a little bit of Hydro Boost Concealer under my eyes because my under eyes are so dry, it does not accentuate it at all. I do like to add Shape Tape. Shape Tape. Shape Tape. I said it, I didn't say shart. Aren't you proud of me?
So proud of you.
Thank you.
Just the proudest big sister ever.
Thank you.
Because you don't sound like an illiterate fuck. This is the other shitty part. My nose itches.
Have fun. You can't itch, you just take a nail and you just press it.
But then I still feel like I fucked something up. I'm going to use this to put the powder on under my eyes. I am going to spray this again with Fix Plus. Make sure that I don't have any smile lines, and then I'm just going to push that powder into my skin.
Boom. I should set the rest of my face, I feel like.
I'm going to go back in with the Morphe 25A palette, and I'm going to take a smaller, long, fluffy brush and take the original Overcast base shade and just put that under the eye.
I just took NYX Nudie White liner and put that in my waterline because I like to open them bitches up.
I'm going to take the Morphe E10, which is a little bit more of a compact, and I'm going to take that lit brown color.
I just took that first transition color I used, Silk Cream.
Now I'm going to take the maroonish red Afterlife shade and tight line this right up against our lashes. And also only on the outside. How do you like them apples?
I added a little bit of more Queen.
Underneath the eye.
Yes, because I wanted it to be more dramatic and I really, really like the effect. Now I want to go in with highlighter. I am a drugstore groupie. So I have all the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powders. I love the color Golden Flower Crown. I also have Blossom Glow and Precious Petals, which has been very loved. I'm going to mix Blossom Glow and Golden Flower Crown together.
Just going to make sure I have that all cleaned up. Okay. Now while that's doing its own thing, I'm going to put some mascara under my eyes and try not to make the ugly face. I'm also going to take Golden Flower Crown because I actually can't find this anywhere and it's more of like my shade because it's more of a bronzy color.
I have a butt chin, so I like to put highlighter right where the indent would be.
You can never have too much highlighter.
Should I do a nude lip or like a red lip?
A red lip, but do you have nude for me? Oh, thank goodness.
If it's a nude lip, you want it to look like a nude lip.
I don't want to look like I just ate someone's asshole.
We went there.
I do like to overdraw my lips though.
Only inner draw on the inner parts.
It only very slightly.
Oh yeah. I would get Botox in my forehead. Simply because of how many expressions I make. You have a hair on your nose.
Oh, thanks.
I have Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Color Sensational Lip. This is in the color Red Punch, but that's my favorite though.
Actually, it's pretty amazing.
I know, I like that color a lot.
This is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Seduction, I believe. Now I'm going to dust this off.
You have to be so precise with red, dude. I'm not kidding.
Then I'm going to take the MAC Fix Plus. Everybody has it. Everybody knows it.
That is as even as I'm gonna get it.
This stuff smells so good on your face.
And I have to put mascara on my lower lashes. I almost forgot.
I'm going to mix in Light and Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just put those mixed on the inner corner of my eye. This makes like all the difference to me.
Let me use that brush. I'm gonna do the same thing.
And then I'm going to set my eyebrows.
Only using Beam because I'm that bitch.
I'm using NYX Tinted Brow Mascara.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks guys.